2020, substance use and/or misuse is a common weapon destroying families through the increased use among school-age youth. The National Council on Drug Abuse Manchester wants to share tips to help parents navigate this difficult terrain. Tip number 1. Parents, identify from early, from kindergarten, those things or people who threaten the secure development of your child or children. For example, people who negatively criticize others, people who give your child alcoholic beverages to drink, cigarettes or marijuana to smoke, or just give them counsel that goes against your value system. As you view, like, comment or share this video, before you do, please share a tip to encourage a parent struggling with his or her child misusing substances, or share your experience. Let's help each other, one comment at a time. I'm Josein Marshall-Baker, your substance abuse officer for the parish of Manchester.